This is an absolute must-have for disposal cleaner. I've been meaning to clean my disposal, and thanks to this company sending me so that I can make an honest review for you. My water is running because it's supposed to run a minute, and then I'm gonna put these two. Initially, you put two. That's how I prefer. Then later on, you can only put one. And since my water is running for about 30 seconds, and I'll just wait a little bit more and put these. See the foam, and so I'll just put inside, and just now I'm gonna reduce the water and make sure it runs another minute or so. It really cleans it. It shows, so I can't wait to see. So this is absolutely a must-have if you have a disposal at home, and I'm sure it's long due like mine, so I highly recommend it.